If you want to see how I got my toes from looking like this to this, don't go anywhere. I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, those cannot be her toes, but they are. And that is life. Don't judge me. Okay, so big man thing. I'm gonna be honest. The truth is, I usually do a pedicure occasionally, or even if I don't get to do like a pedicure, my toenails has never grown out that long. So what I really wanted to do, I didn't want to like touch up my toes in any way, clip them, do like minor grooming or anything like that, because I wanted to save all the ratchetness, if that's the appropriate thing to say, for this DIY your pedicure video. And as such, making YouTube videos takes a lot of time, the recording process, editing and everything. So every time I like got the opportunity to just record the thing, I ended up doing something else. I really just took some time. I think it was Memorial Day, and I just sat down and I made a video. No money for the salon, but you want a quick fix to make your toes a little bit less ratchet, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Well, we have our foot soak, our nail polish, we have our toe divider. This is some peppermint oil. This is a foot scrub that I put in a different bottle that I got from a friend. It's like coffee foot scrub. It's nail polish, nail clip. That's a buffer for spooning out your toes, your nails, that is. That's your nipper. That's my orange juice stick. This is my foot scrub. That's what I'll use to scrub my feet. It has a rough and a smooth side, and that's some Jamaican black castor oil, and of course your tub and a towel. Okay, that's some warm water, and I'm going to add the foot soak. And some peppermint essential oil. The foot soak actually smells really great, and the peppermint oil just, you know, put the cherry on top. Now, I usually do this, clip my nails and stuff before I set the water, but I accidentally set the water before that. So now I'm clipping my extra long toenails. And I don't tend to cut it too deep. You need to leave ample amount of nail because you don't want to hurt yourself. And then with the file section of the nail clipper, you just want to smooth out the sharpness of the nail after having it clipped. Now it's time to soak your feet. Ensure the water is not too hot, and I soak my feet for like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to scrub. If you notice, I have a lot of skin that needs to come off, dead skin. For about, I just scrub it until a whole lot of white stuff, all that dead skin comes off. And I use the rough part of the foot scrub. If you notice, you just scrub it, rinse it off in the water. You can do that as much times as you want to. I do it for like 2 or 3 times. And then after a while, you know, all that gunk starts to raise up from your feet because they're moistened and soaked in the water. Now rinse your feet. I usually rinse my feet, and then I set a towel on the edge of the chair, place my feet there, and then I use the orange juke stick, the flat part, to just get rid of like the cuticles, that overgrown cuticles, and all that white stuff that usually forms on your toes after not having a pedicure done. Now I'm using my nipper to literally take the excess stuff that I got out with the orange juice stick. A nipper can cut you, so you have to be very careful with it. I would suggest that you use the orange juice stick to get the dead skin and the cuticles off. If you don't know how to use a nipper, that would be sufficient. But if you want to just get everything out really clean and nice, use a nipper. I also use a nipper to get rid of my corns. You don't feel anything. You're gonna smooth that out later down. Okay, so now you scrub your feet. Well, I usually scrub my feet. Well, I scrub my feet with the smooth section of the foot scrub, and this would be a good opportunity to smooth out that corn. This is perfect for getting rid of corns. And I usually scrub my feet until white stuff literally starts to rain. Like, literally, this is what really smooths your feet out. If you notice, if you look at the carpet, you'll see white stuff literally dropping off of my feet. Like, this method really works. Then I usually rinse again, and now I'm going in with the foot scrub, or the coffee scrub, to exfoliate. And I'm going to rinse each foot. As soon as I'm done with each technique, I rinse each foot and just continue. And now I'm going to dry my feet, and I just touch up any little thing that is left with the nipper, any little cuticle or skin that is hanging out. Now I'm buffing my toes and adding some oil here. You can use any oil that works for you. At the time I had the black Jamaican castor oil, and I massage the oil into my toes. Guys, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. Now I use the oil to like massage my foot, and I would like give it a rub just for a relaxing feel. I actually put the paper towel there because I don't want the nail polish to get on the towel, and this is some cotton and some nail polish remover, and I'm just taking off the excess oil from my nails. I usually coat twice with nail polish. I don't always wear nail polish, but for the sake of the tutorial I am. And I use some the Ajou stick and some nail polish remover just to clean up any areas on my skin that nail polish might have gotten, just for a neat clean polish. And then I wipe the excess polish on the paper towel. I put on my top coat to seal the polish so that it will last longer. I clean up my areas and I'm done, guys. My toes and my feet are back to normal, like its old self. Guys, I have like a playlist of beauty DIYs that you can check out. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.